Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here and my sidekick, Sunshine.
Hello.
And we are putting together for you a Peachy Mandrin high protein smoothie, all right? So this is a very healthy smoothie that you can have any time of the day if you're craving, if you need to increase your protein profile, your calorific profile. If you're following any of my muscle building video trainers, this is a great craving killer and meal replacement that you can have any time of the day. So let's go through these ingredients. To begin with, you can put some ice cubes in the blender, and then I always like to start with the liquid so it doesn't clump at the bottom. And I'll put in a cup of cashew milk. Now you can use almond milk. I prefer you to use a milk that is not dairy based because I want to keep your lactose down to an absolute minimum. Speaking of lactose, you've got less than 1 gram of lactose in the whey protein isolate from Kaged muscle. So we're going to be putting a scoop of this in, if you could help me in. And we got vanilla flavor isolate here. Now this is naturally flavored, and we also have the prohydrolyze enzyme in here, which will help you digest this protein even easier than a regular isolate. So we have the protein there, and then we're going to be putting in some carbohydrates, some antioxidants from the Mandarin. You want to throw the Mandarin in? And we also got some more simple carbs and antioxidants coming from the peaches. And then we got some healthy fats, great for packing on weight, great for hormonal production, increasing your testosterone. And that's going to be coming in the form of, was it a tablespoon?
Tablespoon of almond butter.
Tablespoon of almond butter. And then we're going to blend this bad boy up, which will blend very, very easily. Let's stir it up. And voila, that's it. The isolate mix is very easy. And as you can see, these ingredients are very easy to mix as well. So just needs a couple of seconds there. Voila. So you can obviously add as much liquid as you want. If you want a little bit more watery, more diluted, you add more cashew milk, or you can add a few more scoops of ice cubes. However, I like to have it slightly thicker, so I'll have slightly less liquid. You want to try first?
Sure.
What a gentleman I am. Yeah, good?
That's nice.
Mmm.
The almond butter really kicks it.
Wow, that's a different flavor. I've never tried that flavor before. So put the Mandarin, well, I'd say the Mandarin and the peaches combined with the almond butter really does give it a completely different taste. And then when you have the naturally flavored vanilla micropure isolate, that really does have, I don't know, more of a creamy texture, but with a pan.
Yeah. It's a little thicker. Definitely feels like a meal.
Yeah, you'd be very satisfied after that.
Yeah.
That's great. All right, perfect craving killer as well. So if you do like this recipe that we've put together for you and this muscle building smoothie, please let us know by commenting below and liking and subscribing.